So welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. I'm on 90 minutes and our monitoring spirit taking with they call cut offside. They'll come outside and let us know about Dusan Vlahovic. They call it let us know say Vlahovic they very willing to come to the EPL, that he can't wait to come and play in the EPL. Now there are three clubs where the reason this guy matter say they won't sign up. Arsenal did there, people like Manchester United did there, and Aston Villa did there. Everybody is highly interested in signing him. So I never know where he will really go at the end of the day. So we are keenly interested in knowing where his destination is going to be. So more just worried because what's even the surprise me that Aston Villa under Unai Emery they won't get an audacious move. They won't offer and say making conjoin them. So Arsenal said we they highly interested in signing him. But Manchester United the way between Vlahovic and Rasmus Højlund, say either of the two, then they go sign. We'll just watch how it will happen at the end of the day. Alright, so away from that, so something interesting they happen now. So Chelsea and Bayern don't hold their first meeting on to say they would like to sign Sadio Mane again. So that's something I never expected to happen based on the many wingers which Chelsea don't get. So what they want this guy? Muju did there, Noni Madueke did there, all those kind of Pulisic, Messi Mount, all those guys, Sterling, everybody can play on the wing if they want to play them on the wing. Plus any other player, plus Joao Felix, get why yes they still won't sign the guy, even though after in loan term. So where are they going to play all these players? From what I hear, Mauricio Pochettino that will be their next coach for next season. So what is going to be happening to all these players? That's why I still retain my thoughts where the talk say Chelsea is going to be the new ShopRite at the end of the season. People are going to be going there and selecting players. Arsenal, on the other hand, may go there and select Sterling. For me, I still think Sterling is a good player. I just think Chelsea will be the right place, the right environment for him to thrive. You remember how good Sterling never old though. The guy never really starts. He never reached 29. He's still a good player. So I never know how all this in the watch they go. More just the word because I was thinking maybe Arsenal won't go for money, but if I look at it ahead, I don't think they feel say if he go sign a man, maybe he could distort or disturb the progress of the likes of Saka and Martinelli. That's what me I'm thinking. I don't do devil's advocate. Man, they see waiting they go on inside his head. Well, the reverse might be the case and never really do so. But just the word because when you look at it, Chelsea know the Champions League. So what is the incentive or maybe money? You get because if it's about maybe competition, quality competition, what's it? Just they there now. Let's just see how things go end at the end of the day, sure. Alright, so Arsenal they hope to announce Bukayo Saka contract renewal before the end of the season. So now Fabrizio will let us know. So as long as Arsenal don't get Champions League football, so Saka will get an incentive to stay here. In France are also here, and he knows so we will bring some incomings to solidify our team so that we'll be very strong and give an onslaught to the title challenge next season. So we'll just see how everything will end. I wish him all the best of luck, making just stay for Arsenal. Now, away from that, people like Charles Watts, who the Arsenal correspondent with the rights for goal.com, don't come outside and talk, say, if Naim be Arsenal, so he will sign Declan Rice for that 120 million if they get the money you get, because the guy will give you massive return on your investments in the future because he is still 24 and he has a clean bill of health. Declan Rice will be first when they go injury. He don't play 38 games for West Ham this season, but you don't know how good the health be again. So now so in the B will play for you. So for that reason, they are saying Arsenal should sign him. For me, I don't go against that decision if they won't sign him. But like I always say, I trust in Gaspar, Richard Garlic, and Arteta. I trust their judgments. If they like player, they will sign him again. As long as the player meets their valuation, they will sign him. Alright, so for those who know they are well, so Man City don't draw Real Madrid 1-1. So what's it going to be for that match? Because the team go according to how me I plan and say make them draw. You get Man City now play very well for the first half, Madrid score. Second half, Madrid play well, Man City score. But the main battle of that match, that the fact say Rudiger held Haaland like Haaland never see that kind of physicality since come this England. Rudiger let her know say this is not England. You get the England die. Haaland I don't see anything play. You get so we never know how the reverse fixture will be because Rudiger just play with them man to man, German. They mark him. You get so now we say they go play Everton and we are expecting them to rest players because Pep even do once when people want to criticize him for that Real Madrid match, he did not make a single change. You get because I believe say all those people in there for Bentolo, Julian Alvarez, Phil Foden, Mahrez, now them he will come play against Everton. The people who play against Madrid, he will keep them, because when you play against Everton on Sunday, I think, then on Wednesday you are playing against Real Madrid again, so he needs all his players fresh, because Champions League now be Pep Guardiola holy grail. That is what he's looking for. Gone. Then if he win EPL, that one na jara for him. That one na fisi. The major place where they put in eye, where is they fixated on, now be that Champions League you get. When you've won the EPL 4 times in the last 5 years, but see, you know go freak you again now. Like the one where you never collect before, now how will you bust your brain again? So let's just see how they will navigate and play. That's why I wanted them to draw the first leg and let them win the second leg, because the more they are progressing in the Champions League, the more chance we have of keeping our hopes alive and winning the league, and the more chance they will rest more players by kind of play the likes of Brentford, Chelsea, and the likes. But if Madrid go comot them, or moment I forget the title, because they will come focus all their attention on the title. So I will take collect them there. Alright, Bayer Leverkusen said they're very, very desperate to sign Granit Xhaka. They really like him. Their coach, not a new coach. Their coach Xabi Alonso saying like the way Xhaka they play. So I don't know whether Xhaka will go there. Even though there are rumors that Arsenal want to sell Xhaka so that they can buy people like Declan Rice and Casado. Maybe they use them in the middle of the path, because Xhaka don't the age. So I don't really know whether there's any atom of truth in this. So we'll just watch at the end of the season. Because remember not too long ago, Roma under Mourinho wanted to sign Granit Xhaka. In fact, Xhaka already accepts personal terms. By the end of the day, he did not go. Yes, so maybe we'll see a repeat of this. I don't really know. But for me, I would say Xhaka don't change under Arteta. I don't give him an advanced role. He gets, they saddled with the responsibility of being the last man to collect red card anyhow. Since we started drafting our 3-2-4-1, they part of that 4 when they did for front. So get business with the defending line of things. That's why if you see, you will see say they get cards anyhow. But at the end of the season, we'll see everything will solve. Alright, Callum Wilson, don't come outside, will be Newcastle player, don't come outside when they throw more light on the exchange we Granit Xhaka gets for the match we play for St. James Park. So back on talk say, what's in the vex and say any month Xhaka don't fall, any month Xhaka don't. See at the point Xhaka come forward and call the hole in groin. You go and say, Baba stand up now. Why you call the day for ground like this? Xhaka call look at all the smile, like say nothing the worry am. Like say, so and Xhaka call the mouth talk to him, like talk at the young dogs, the top lane. So it's call the vex, I call say me, I'm from the streets. Now so this the headline of the story. I'm from the streets, get so nobody gonna talk to me like that for outside. It's gonna be you, and I will not take it on the field of play. That's why two of them when they get back and forth. If they leave the guy ready to fight, Granit Xhaka, so they vex say, especially when you are the home side and they scored you, so you need momentum. It gets to equalize and play. But them say all the Arsenal players at one time, everybody fell down, get holding their head or their hand. Say it don't make sense. That's why in the vex. But it is what it is. We've given them a taste of their own medicine. That's what they did to us at the Emirates Stadium, and we returned the favor at St. James Park. So now 1-1, Odoro no day. Get so let's let sleeping dogs lie. Alright, on the sweet news, so El Neni don't return to light training after 5 months out. Yes, he's running on the grass. People like Gilberto Silva, who be our legend, they congratulate us, welcome back. Other people declare welcome back. So this one are against next season. Yes, whether I go play for preseason, I don't really know. Go just the watch. I just they happy say he don't come back. At least if you say in day, many times if you say pattern no they available, we don't just play and they forgive us more elaborate depths, but it is what it is. We can't be going back and turning back the hands of time. Alright, Saka said don't come and say so we'll be ready if Man City slip up. So we'll do for the wings, they watch them, you get like as me and they pray, same they progress for Champions League so that they will get distractions, get for the EPL, get at the point they will need to choose one. Say okay, for this match, okay, we'll not go play. I don't be surprised if they don't play Kevin De Bruyne against Everton. I will not be surprised, guys. They will play Alan, get they will play Alan come out them early, or they will put them a bench, put them later. Like I know say they will rest some kind because Everton will walk them. That one Ashola. Cross and not go plenty. That one Ashola. So all those kind of Tarkowski. Cross and not Ashola go many. So we just watch how everything will go. I would say we are on the wings, monitoring them like a monitoring spirit. Alright, Tony Cascarino also don't come as I call the talk. Say make Arsenal sign Ivan Toney. You get say now what's in the field. Say the guy is going to bring a lot of physicality to Arsenal. He talk plenty. Because it doesn't even be surprised that people know the really reason the guy has got like 20 goals in the EPL. But the thing all this one is forgetting, to keep forgetting is the fact that this Ivan Toney still get case with the FA. They fit give am lengthy ban. They fit even class him no play PL again because that betting scandal. You get so, and nobody don't know how the case go dey decided. That's why if you watch most of all these big teams, nobody really reason the matter because he get too much baggage. So with the wait, making sort himself. If you be seen that after the league go end, or go court, go do everything, make him sort am. If they don't sort am, if na fine, if na community service, whatever they say make him do. If you don't do am, people go dey reason the matter. Meanwhile, when they bring in an Ivan Toney and bring in Vlahovic, who you go choose? Get so I know some people dey attracted to Ivan Toney because he has been in the league. You understand what it means to play in the EPL, unlike Vlahovic wey dey for Serie A. But at the same time, don't forget that Vlahovic once upon a time was very, very prolific at Fiorentina. Before he go this Juventus, we no really favor him, and the statistics for Juventus is not really bad like that. But for me, everything in life na risk you get. Even the Ivan Toney gone wey dey shine for Brentford, if he carry come Arsenal like go flop aji, e dey happen. You get so nothing is set in stone. So mo just dey watch am. My dear Arsenal lovers, if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click am so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And game out.